Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to prepare for you some ice cream. I'm going to prepare 2 flavors and I'm going to prepare those in mason jars. So I got my mason jars right here. This is what I will be preparing the ice cream in. And I have my ingredients on the counter, so let me move the camera to the counter so you can see what I have here. Okay, these are my ingredients. I have strawberries, sea salt, whipping cream, stevia, cocoa powder, and erythritol. So I'm going to be using these ingredients today, and I will share with you how much I'm going to add to the blender. Okay, first I'm going to prepare my chocolate ice cream. 1 cup of whipping cream, 1 cup here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add that to the food processor. And I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of chocolate. The blender here. And I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of erythritol. And just so you know, this is for 2 servings of ice cream. And I'm gonna add my 4th teaspoon of sea salt in the blender here. And I'm gonna add a little stevia. I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of stevia. And I'm gonna go ahead and blend this up. It only takes a few minutes to prepare. Okay, let me check it. Okay, it's looking pretty good. All right, I'm gonna add it to my my jar, my mason jar here. Okay, you could shake it in the jar if you like, but what I did, I just blended mine, and it looks really smooth and nice. So right now, I am just taking it out of the blender and putting it in the mason jar. I tasted it. It tastes delicious. It's got enough sugar and everything in it. It's a very easy ice cream. I mean, you can make more than what I'm making, but I just made this size because it's only 2 of us in the house. So the ice cream is so good, you have a tendency to overeat it, especially me. Okay, all right. There is the chocolate ice cream there. Wait until I finish the next one. Okay, I'm gonna start off with 1 cup of milk again. Okay. So 1 pint. Okay, I'm gonna start with the strawberry ice cream now. And I have 1 cup of milk. I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of vanilla and 2 tablespoons of erythritol. And then I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of stevia, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and mix that up. All right, I'm gonna set that aside while I peel my strawberries. I'm not using the entire strawberry. I'm just using the outside of the strawberry so that it will turn the ice cream to a nice strawberry color. Now I have about 3/4 cup of strawberries, but I'm not going to use the whole 3/4 cup of strawberries. I'm just going to peel the strawberries and I'm going to place them in this blender here so I can blend them up. I washed the strawberries first and I'm going to blend them up. But this is what I'm going to do. I'm just peeling the strawberries so the ice cream will have a beautiful color. I don't like using food coloring in my food because I'm allergic to it. So if I use it, if you see me using it, that means that I'm probably not going to eat it. I get headaches when I use artificial coloring in my food. I won't waste the strawberries. I will have them with some yogurt or something in the morning for breakfast. So don't worry about that. They will be utilized. Okay, I finished the 3/4 cup of strawberries, and this is about how much I got out of it. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and grind it up and mix the ice cream mixture with the strawberries. So let me do that now. In the blender here, like I said earlier, you can shake it if you like, but I just like placing mine in the blender. It does the job a lot faster for me. So okay, you see that beautiful strawberry color? That's what you want for your ice cream. I mean, it is just perfect strawberry color. So let me just go ahead and pour this into another jar. And I'm gonna let this freeze overnight. So a little bit later, you will see the ice cream that I just made. And I will also taste it for you. This is a very good recipe, very easy. And notice how I made 2 flavors, one chocolate and one strawberry. My favorite is the strawberry. I love strawberry ice cream. I love chocolate too, but I think my favorite is the strawberry ice cream. And so you just take a spatula and just remove it from your blender here. Ice cream. Perfect ice cream. I made it 6 hours. I made 2 types of ice cream. One is chocolate and the other one is strawberry. I love strawberries. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a taste test. Now, I allowed this ice cream to stay in the freezer for overnight. Actually, it's ready in 6 hours, so you could take it out way before I took mine out. But it is nice and hard right now, but if you don't want it to be as hard as mine, you can add a little coconut oil to it and it will make it a little bit softer. Oh, that is so good. You have to excuse me, I'm using the same spoon I used before because this is mine. This is Bill's, he loves chocolate. So let me show you this ice cream. Oh, it is so good, so good. Oh, that's so good. Did you take some of the chocolate ice cream?
Yes.
How does it taste?
Tastes good.
So if you like this video, like, subscribe, and thanks so much for watching.
And she got me involved too.